Alright guys, so it's time to subtract with our HTO chart. First things first, make sure you have a lovely HTO chart drawn here. Then make sure that you plug in the very first number you see. So this number, for example, will be 265. So I'm just going to plug this in here. I see a 5 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see a 6 in the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and I see a 2 in the hundreds place. So 1, 2, or 100, 200. Perfect. We are done with this number. Don't have to look at it anymore. Next, let's make sure we're looking at our operation. We are subtracting, so we are taking 123 away from 265. So instead of plugging them in like addition, we're crossing them out. So let's look at our ones first. Always start with the ones place. You're going to look here. I see 3 in the ones. 1, 2, 3. I see 2 in the tens. And 1 in the hundreds. Next is the easy part. We're just going to see what we have left. So I'm going to count. I have 1, 2. So I have a 2 in the ones. And I have 10, 20, 30, 40 in the tens. And I have a 1 in the hundreds place. Next, we're going to take this expanded number and squish it down together. So we have 142. And that will be our answer. Excellent job, guys. Alright, we are back at it again, this time with a bigger subtraction problem. So let's take a look. Of course, with our HTO chart, the first rule is draw that hundreds, tens, and ones chart, then plug in your very first number. So I'm quickly going to plug in 265. We have 5 in our ones, 6 in our tens, and 2 in our hundreds. We cross that out, we're done. Next, let's take a look at our operation. Looks like we're subtracting, so we are pulling 29 away from this number. So, it always starts with the ones place, and we're taking away 9. So let's start taking away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait. We can't take 9 away from this box, there's only 5. So if you come across this problem, you're gonna have to borrow from the next place value over. So, we're just gonna take this lonely little 10 over here and break it, and bring it over. So how many ones are in one stick of 10? There are 10 ones in one stick of 10. So now I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's go ahead and cross out that 9 again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. We're done with that. Let's take away 2 tens. 1, 2, and are we taking away any hundreds? No, there's an invisible 0 there, so we leave our hundreds alone. Next comes the easy peasy part. We are going to count and see what we have left. Let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. And we have 10, 20, 30. And we have 100, 200. Next, we're going to take this number and squish it all together. So we have 236. And that would be our answer. Great job, guys.